Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to design a Pinterest graphic on the Vista Create application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the plus icon at the bottom of the page. And in the social media path section, you can find the Pinterest graphic next to the Instagram post vertical. And here just select a template and click to the use this template button. If you want to change the text, just click to the text box. You can delete this text and you can write your text. In the font section, you can select another font type, and the style section, for example, you can adjust the size of your text. In the object section, you can find different objects. For example, click to the ice cream, you can move and you can edit the size. If you want to add an image to your project, click to the photo section at the lower left corner of the screen. And here you can search images, and the upload section you can upload your from your gallery. In the animation section, you can find different animation which you can create, which you can add to your project. And in the video and the music section, you can add videos and musics to your project. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.